Binibini 1, Miss Asa. Her vital statistic is 25, 20, and 24. And her motto in life is, kung marami kang utang, mas marami akong utang. Thank you. Number 2 is Miss Carl. Her vital statistic is 31, 18, 35. She believes in saying na, kung nakangiti ka ng matamis, Jack, magsahod yan sa 4-piece. Thank you so much. Binibini 3, 5, 6. Her vital statistic is 30, 25, and 27.
She believes in the saying na, kung mangungutang ka sa 5-6, tali mo na aso. Kapag hindi naman, nakawala ng aso.
Thank you so much. Binibini 4, Miss Home Credit. Her vital statistic is 27, 25, and 29.
And she believes in the saying na, kung gusto mong lumandi, tisin mo ang hati.
Binibini 5, 1, Puhunan. 33, 34.
And she believes the saying na, aanin mo ang ganda kung wala ka namang utang.
Miss Kasapi. 28, 25, 29.
And she believes in the saying na, aanin mo pa ang bahay na bato kung katulong ka lang naman dito.
Ayan!